Wait. I know how to make a shell. Mom, can I teach you?
It's a really good shell, Co.
Can I show you how to make it? Just make a big one like this, then scribble like this, then make a line like that, and then color on it.
And who's that for?
Olivia.
Olivia, why?
Because I made it for her, and she's my best friend.
Say something. Tell me a story.
Hello, story at the mom. Like that?
That's good. Can you sing me the Cubby song?
When I cover happy lost, happy lost. When Taurus, 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 Taurus.
What are you singing now?
Taurus.
Victorious?
Yeah, Taurus.
You're silly. What's your name?
Open.
What is it?
Now watch the video.
Yeah, you want to see the video now?
Cheese.
It's a video, Cole. Tell me a story.
I don't remember.
You don't remember?
Yeah, let me see. Let me see.
Hi, Cam. Say cheese. Don't do that, Colton. Say cheese. Colton.
Hi, Max. This is Cohen. I'm sending you a video from you. So this is what I made up. Arrgh! Come to Captain Cohen Square Beard. I am pretty nice, but I am Square Beard. I write arrgh. I have a sword, a phone, a spyglass, and an eye patch I made. So arrgh, up to the right place.